Hey there. This workout utilizes barbells and dumbbells and weight plates. Okay, so we're gonna start out with tricep extensions, tricep bench press on here. And you're going to have a close grip. So it works mainly your triceps. So there's hash marks on the barbell. You're gonna grip onto the hash marks, press through, make sure your feet are on the floor, elbows staying tight. You're gonna start out with 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you're going to take the barbell off of the rack and place it on the floor safely. So you can do deadlifts. Okay? Walk it back, gently set it down. So this is one arm deadlifts. You want to imagine you're picking up a weight on each side so you stay square. 5 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5. Step over the bar. Like I said, make sure you're imagining you have a weight in each hand so you stay square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is for your legs. It's called a Zercher Squat. Squat down, grab the bar. Okay. 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next exercise for your shoulders called Arnold Press. Have your dumbbells ready. Start the bells out in front of you. 10 times. 2, and it's a rotation. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side raise. 10 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bent laterals. I'm going to turn this way so I don't hit the bar. You can bend, and it's out to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one is for biceps and triceps. Place your weights out of the way. Grab onto your plate. It's going to be a curl. Press tricep 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6. 7, 8. Make sure your abs are braced. 9. Butt squeezed. That was an extra one. All right, next one is Russian twist. You can either use the floor or the bench. I'm gonna use the bench. You can do either one. Use your plate, same plate you were using. You're gonna lean back and it's twist. 4, 5, 10 on each side. 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 rounds of this, so 4 more rounds. There's your workout.